Today we are going to learn about the 3 sacks of rice. Okay, so see there you may have read many stories about the three brothers. Okay, usually two of them, the elder ones, are strong, clever, but unkind. They laugh at the youngest one because he is too simple and soft-hearted. This kind of story you may have learned. Okay, so now this is it is in our story. In this story also there are three brothers. Okay, so our story also has three brothers who lived in a small town. Our story has also three brothers. Okay, and they lived in a small town. Here in the story there is also three boys. Okay, and they all, the three boys are lived in a small town, but they were all three of them honest. Okay, means all the three brothers have the same qualities. First one honest, then kind and hard working. Okay, all of them lives in a small town and they have the same quality: honest, kind and hard working. So what is the meaning of honest? Honest means truthfulness. Okay, honest means truthfulness. Kind means having or showing a friendly, and hardworking, the person who works hard for achieving something. Okay, so these three of them have the quality like honesty, kind and hardworking. Okay, so see, the the elder brother was running a shop. Okay, the middle one was a priest. Okay, so what is the priest? Priest means who worship the temple. Okay, who worship the temple, that is priest. Okay, in any temple. Okay, you can say the priest to the person who is worship in the church also. Okay, so priest means the person who is working in the, who worship in the temple. Okay, so elder one ran a shop, the middle one was a priest, and the youngest one had just finished his education and he had started taking up odd jobs to earn some money and to learn a trade. Okay, this is the description of all three brothers. Okay, elder one, middle one and youngest one. So see again one time, elder one ran a shop, middle one was a priest and youngest one had finished his education and he started taking up odd jobs to earn some money and to learn a trade. Trade means business. Okay, so here all three of them were fond of their mother, means they love their mother very much. Okay, and after the death of their suddenly death of their father, she had worked hard to bring up the three of them. Okay, after sudden death of their father, she worked very hard, and she bring up all three of them. Okay, so see, fond of means love. Okay, so see what happened one day. One day, so see one day the friend of their father, okay, visited the mother. One day the friend of their father visited the mother. Okay, and he said, the person means the friend of father said, sister, you have that you know that I have a very prosperous business. So what is the meaning of prosperous? See here, prosperous means successful and bringing wealth. Okay, prosperous means successful business. Okay, so the friend of father had a very prosperous business. So he told that mother, that sister, you know that I have a very prosperous business, I have a very successful business, but now I am getting old. Okay, now my age is growing. Okay, so I'm getting old and my only daughter is of a marriageable age. So the person, the friend has only one daughter and she has a marriageable age. Okay, so marriageable age means what? The perfect age for the for getting marriage. Okay, fit or suitable for the right or right age for the marriage. Okay, so he told that mother, I'm getting old and my only daughter is of a marriageable age. Okay, so further he said, I'm looking for a son-in-law. Okay, means the husband. I'm looking a husband, a future husband for my daughter. Okay, so I'm looking for a son-in-law. So yeah. Further, he said, I'm looking for son-in-law. The son-in-law, what is the how I want son-in-law? He just explain after that. Okay, son-in-law who would be a good husband to my daughter and who would be the handle my business well. Okay, means he is looking the son-in-law who is handle his daughter properly, who is handle his daughter very well, and who is also handle his business very well also. Okay, so further he said, I like your all sons. Okay, I like all your sons. Okay, means she has 3 sons and the persons like all the sons. Okay, but he has to choose only one from them. So what happened next? See here. See further he said, if you permit, I will marry my daughter to one of them, but before that I have a plan. Okay, so further he said he want only one. He has to choose only one person, one brother from them. Okay, and he told the mother that if you are permitting me, okay, so I have one plan that I can choose a person. I can choose a brother, one brother from them. Okay, so he discussed the plan with the mother and she also agreed with the plan quickly. So what was he plan? See further. Okay, so what happened next? He just meet all the brother, elder one, middle one, and youngest one, and he gave them each sack of rice. Okay, he meet them and he gave them each sack of rice. Okay, and he told them, my dear boy, I'm going away for a few months for some necessary work. Please look after these sacks of rice till I come back. Okay, so what happened next? He made all 3 brothers and he gave the he gave them each sack of rice and he told that I'm going away for a few months for some necessary work, and please you look after this sack of rice till I come back. Okay, it was a part of his plan. Now see what happened next. After some days, after few months, after some days, the friend went away. Okay, he come back, and many months after the many months he just come back, he returned. Okay, and it was nearly a year before he came back. Okay, so nearly a year before he came back, and he visited first to the eldest son. He visited to the eldest son first. Okay, and see here, he just recognize him. Okay, the eldest son recognize him, and the uh, eldest brother welcomed him and gave him a small purse of full of money. So why the eldest one gave him the small purse of money? Because he told further that, uncle, you had left a sack of rice with me. Okay, after a few months, I was worried that it may get spoiled. Spoiled means damage, ruined. Okay, so uh, therefore, I sold the rice to my customer. Here is the money I got. Please accept it. Got it? Why is giving the purse of money to the person? Because what happened? Because he just worried that the sack of rice, okay, it will spoil. It may get spoiled. So what happened? He just he sold it to the customer, and he got the money while selling it. Okay, and that money he is giving to that person. Okay, got it? And he told that please accept it. So what the friend said? Friend said, thank you, my boy. You are such an honest person. Okay, here the elder one was the honest person. He is showing his honesty, that he is showing his honesty to giving the money to that person. Okay, so eldest one was the honest person. Okay, now after some time he just moved on. He went to the middle one, middle brother. Okay, so what happened there? We will see here. So see, when he went to the middle one, middle brother, the middle brother also welcomed him with joy, okay, and love. Okay, and you know that the middle brother was a priest. Okay, so he also greeted him with joy and affection. Affection means what? Love. Okay, so he said, uncle, remember you had left a sack of rice with me an year ago. So the middle one also said, yes, uncle, you just remember that you left the sack of rice with me before an year. Okay, so I had kept it for many months, but then I was worried that it may get spoiled, it may get damaged. I distribute the rice among the poor in your name, and they all bless you for satisfying their hunger. However, I did that without your permission, and I am willing to pay you back for the rice. Okay, so what happened when the person went, when the friend went to the middle one, that he told that remember, uncle, that you just you had left a sack of rice with me. Okay, so what? I was also in worried that it may spoil. Okay, it will spoil. So what I did, I just distributed the rice among the people. Okay, among the poor people by your name. Okay, so they bless you for satisfying their hunger. And however, I did that without your permission. Means I did all the things without your permission. I didn't take your permission. Okay, so I am willing to pay you back for the rice. Means I am ready to pay for the rice. Okay, so further, what happened? What the uncle said? See, the uncle said, no, my boy, you acted wisely and kindly. Okay, so here the middle one was a kind person. Okay, so here in the paragraph we can see the person, means the middle one is a kind person. Okay, the blessings that I got from the poor people are enough for me. Please don't even think about the money anymore. Okay, so person also the friend also told that the people who the people's blessing are enough for me. Okay, I do not need any money. Okay, so see what happened next. When the friend went to the visit youngest one, after that the person went to uh, visit the youngest one. The youngest one also welcome. Okay, he also greeted the greeted the friend with love and joy and respect. Okay, so all brother greeted him with a uh, welcome him with joy and respect. Okay, so further he said the third one. Okay, so third one said that he had a confession to make. So what is the meaning of confession? Means guilty. Okay, one who is guilty. So why he is guilty? So see here, this he said that the sack of rice was lying with me for a long time. Okay, but when I had an idea, I often go to a neighbor farm to help with the work. I borrowed an unused plot of land from the farmer. I exchanged the sack of rice for paddy and sow the paddy in the plot. Okay, paddy means small plants of rice. Fortunately, the crop grew well. and yielded 25 sacks of rice. I have kept back 5 of sacks and sold 20 of them. Here's the money. If you allow, I would like to keep a part of it as my share, considering the labor and money I spent to get it all done. Okay, so see here, the third one is saying that third one, use that sack of rice for the for getting for uh, yeah, the third one is use the sack of rice for getting more crop. Okay, for what happened, he went to work in another farm. Okay, he was doing the work in another farm. So what happened, he just borrow unused plot from the person. Okay, from that farmer, from any farmer. Okay, so he exchanged the sack of rice for paddy. Okay, he just exchanged, he gave the sack of rice to the farmer, and he took the paddy and sow the paddy in that plot, whichever he just took that, whichever he just borrowed from that farmer. Okay, and fortunately what happened, the crop grew very well and he got profit. Okay, and he yielded 25 sacks of rice from that one sack of rice which he exchanged with the paddy. Okay, so paddy means what? Small plants of rice. Okay, what happened further, he said, the boy said, I have kept back 5 of sacks, means from 25 sacks of rice, he kept 5 sacks of rice and 20 he sold. Okay, 20 sack of rice he sold, and he got money after selling the sack of rice. Okay, and he is telling, if you are allowing me, means he just taking permission from the friend that if you are allowing me, so I would like to keep a part of this money, part of this share, considering the labor and money, whatever I spend to get it all done. Okay, whatever I have done in the farm. Okay, whatever I just hard work. Okay, whatever I done that hard work. Okay, so I just if you are allowing me, so I would like to keep a share for my hard work. Okay, so what happened next, the person, the friend, white smile straight, and he just found his future son-in-law. Okay, so see students here, his plan success. Okay, whatever he make plan to choose the son-in-law, it was success. Okay, and he found his future son-in-law. Okay, so 3 sacks of rice. This story that revolves around the father who is said to find a suitable son-in-law, means that person, that friend of the father. Okay, suitable he just finding a suitable son-in-law for his daughter. So he visited his late friend's house and asked his wife to find a son-in-law for her daughter, as she was getting in her marriageable age. Okay, so being a businessman himself, he wanted his future son-in-law to be a good value and have a brain of business. So he handled them, means handle all the 3 brothers with a 3 sack of rice. Okay, so 1 sack was given to the eldest son, another one another one to the middle, and another one to the next one to the younger one. Okay, so what did eldest son who sold it, that gave the money to the father. The eldest one sold that sack of rice uh, and gave the money to the return. Okay, to the father. Now second one distributed the rice to the poor, while the third son planted the rice grains and sold the sack of rice, made a profit out of it. Okay, so therefore the youngest son proved to the smartest among all three. Okay, he proved that he is smartest among all three. He used his business mind, and therefore the father had found his future son-in-law, and he was very happy. So students,